Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to cook these 2-ingredient cookies. So let's get started. To make these easy 2-ingredient cookies, you're going to need applesauce, and you can either cook your own apples, or you could use these little pots of apples, or you could even use canned applesauce. And you're going to need some rolled oats. So I have my applesauce here, and I'm just going to start adding some rolled oats. You're just going to mix that up. And you want to put as many oats as you need for it to stay together. So I'm going to add a bit more. Just so that the dough will stay together. And then you're going to form them into circles. And then just flatten them down a little bit like that. And place them on a cookie sheet. Okay, I have baked my cookies for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. They're soft cookies. And they're only going to be as sweet as your applesauce. So if you like a sweeter cookie, you could add some chopped dates or maybe some raisins. Or you could add some shredded coconut or some maple syrup or agave syrup or sugar. So that's it. That's how easy it is to bake these 2-ingredient cookies. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.